All right, you guys, welcome back to Happy Wife, Happy Life. And today, you guys, I am gonna do a Q&A with my kids, Nirvana May and Blissy. All right. All right, you guys, so it is a fall season and I wanted to change it up a little bit. I wanted to do something with my kids, bring them into my videos, and I decided to do this Q&A just because I thought it would be so much fun. And it has to do with decorating, so I want to get their input and see what they think. So question number 1 is going to be, how many pumpkins do you guys think a house should have during fall season for decor?
How many they should have or how many we have?
How many do you think a normal household should have? Or what is a normal amount of pumpkins, you know, an average house or your friend's house, or what do you think an average amount of pumpkins to have in a house is normal to you?
Less than 5.
5 only?
They probably have like three in the front, 2 inside the kitchen, and then like a jack-o'-lantern, so like 6.
6?
Yeah.
Alright, so you guys seen all of the pumpkins that I have on the table, and I just showed you guys how many more or less I have in my previous video, and I want to know, how many pumpkins do you think that we have to decorate the house with?
10.
A lot.
They showed out the number. Let me hear your answer.
You got the number.
10.
So Nirvana May says 10. Blissy, what do you say?
Like 11, 12.
Maybe 12.
11 or 12? But come on, it's either 10, 11, or 12. What's your final answer?
9.5. Okay, 10.
10. Okay, so Nirvana May is sticking with 10. Blissy, we're still waiting for your answer.
I said 12.
12?
Yeah.
Alright, so right now, before I answer and let you know how many pumpkins I actually have, you tell me, how many pumpkins do you think I have? Go ahead and comment below and let me know. Alright, you guys. So the answer to the question is 34 pumpkins.
What? You have 34? You have 34 pumpkins?
We actually have 34
How do you have
pumpkins.
34 pumpkins?
That's like 7 years worth of going to Ross and buying pumpkins.
And that's just the inside. That's not counting the ones I have for the front because I still have them in their bin. So
57 pumpkins. Everybody commented 12, 13, 9. 5,700 pumpkins.
So I need to go and check that bin, but I'm not gonna do that for this video, you guys. But yeah, 34 pumpkins I have in the house right now as we speak.
Crazy. I was not expecting that. 34, Mom? You need to relax. You have an
34 pumpkins need a cookie.
I couldn't believe it myself when I counted it.
You gotta know.
Oh, okay, so moving on, you guys. Now that you guys know that I have 34 pumpkins in the house, I wanted to know, what do you guys think of my decorating style?
From 1 to 10, rate it.
Well, I mean, do you guys like it? Do you want to change it? Do you think it's nice?
I think the best part of your decorating style is that it's everything like very simple. Cause I know there's some decorating
Minimalistic.
styles. Yeah, there's a lot of decorating.
But it's
styles.
shiny.
There's a lot of decorating styles that have like a lot of things, like a lot of extra stuff, but everything is easy to grab, easy to get, easy accessible because everything's so simple. And it looks cool on Instagram. You feel me? So it's very, how do you say, aesthetic for Instagram.
Yeah, that's it.
All my friends
Very shiny.
All my friends think we're rich, so it's dope.
It's very photo. how do you say that?
Photogenic.
Photogenic. I think when you guys take pictures, the background usually looks real nice. So
the walls are white and stuff like that.
yeah. So when you guys grow up, are you guys gonna continue with like the modern look, or are you gonna go back to like a traditional look? What do you guys like better? The more modern, you know, like my style is.
Well, I'm like a hippie. I want to like do like a hippie style, but like modern hippie.
You know, that's crazy how you just, as soon as you said hippie, you're like, I'm like a hippie, and I was like, damn, so am I, but like, I'm like a modern hippie.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I'm like a modern hippie.
What's a modern hippie? Do you guys know what that
is?
is?
A hippie with style, with colors and like chilling,
like a modern
the
hippie.
Vibes, but it's modern.
A hippie that takes a shower.
Okay. All right. So what do you guys like?
Okay.
Okay.
So what do you guys like better? Do you like the fall season, or do you like the Christmas season, or they're both equal, or you like one more than the other?
I don't know. I like.
What do you guys think?
I like Christmas. I was in my school today, and like I was walking, and I'm just like, it's beginning to feel a lot like Christmas. Cause it was kind of cold. It was windy.
So this girl is ready for Christmas. She wants to bypass fall.
Yeah. Even though my birthday is in October though.
Yeah. So you're a fall baby.
Yeah. But I like Christmas though. Presents.
I think my favorite part about any holidays is definitely the food.
Yeah, food too.
Yeah, like during summer and all these seasons, you have to be very skinny, but then more towards like the end of the year, you can wear like jackets and sweaters, and you're perfectly fine. So you eat as much pie.
So you have a little bit more coverage with all the sweaters and all the things.
Yeah, you can enjoy yourself, do some Thanksgiving. I want some Thanksgiving.
Oh, Thanksgiving.
When
Thanksgiving? November?
In November.
When's November?
Next month, right?
Like
2 months, right?
2 more months. 2.5 more months.
And then Christmas on flan, unlimited flan and poquito. That's the vibes.
And like the family all being together on like without their phones and stuff. That's the vibe.
Okay, so answer the question. So once again, I know that you guys went on and on about all this good stuff, and yes, I have to agree. This is definitely my favorite time of year. And but I want to know, like, narrow it down. Do you guys prefer fall, or do you prefer Christmas, or both the same?
I say winter just because of the environment, like the coldness.
People, that wasn't one of the options.
Wasn't it Christmas?
Did you say Christmas or winter?
It's the same thing.
No, it's not.
Christmas and winter isn't it the same thing?
There's never winter here in Florida, dude.
Yeah, but it gets kind of cold. Like it gets to the point where you don't sweat every time you get outside the house. You know what I'm saying?
That's true. The weather gets a little bit better, but we're pretty hot all year long. Now in Central Florida, we're looking forward to see what the weather here is like. I know that Central Florida does get a lot colder than Miami, so we are looking forward to actually being able to wear our sweaters and our boots and all that cute stuff.
It's gonna be our first time in Central Florida for the Christmas. Like, we've never been here during winter, have we?
Yeah, we have. Sure, we have.
We have, and it's been like 30 degrees.
But like, well, yeah, we have, right?
Remember? And we were like,
you know what we should do? We should, for Christmas, we should go to the cabins, the Disney cabins.
Wow,
right?
we live in a Disney cabin, boy.
No, but that'd be so fun. Cabins, imagine the footage.
Bro, that's like 2 minutes away. We could drive over there to the Disney cabin.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
We could go to their backyard and walk through the forest and go to the Disney cabin.
all right, so the cat wanted to be part of the video with us.
She's outside.
Where is she?
Outside, probably eating her rat or something.
All right, so one more question. Let me see. I'm trying to come up with these random questions. Pumpkin pie or apple pie?
Apple pie. I don't like pumpkin.
I feel like it just depends on the mood. Sometimes you want something more like creamy, it'd be pumpkin pie. But then you want something. Sometimes you're feeling a little dehydrated, and instead of drinking water, you eat some apple pie. Because apple pie is like something else. When you bite into the apple, it explodes into your mouth, and it's just fantastic.
I don't like it.
I'd rather have pumpkin pie. I like pumpkin pie
with
better.
milk, pumpkin pie. With milk, I think pumpkin pie tastes better with milk. But then
I like pumpkin. I like just apple pie.
I think I will still pick pumpkin over apple anytime. Last but not least, you guys, is gonna be the final question, and the final question is gonna be this. And I think I'm gonna have mixed answers here. What do you guys prefer more? A hot chocolate station or a pumpkin spice coffee station? So in other words,
Hot chocolate.
do you prefer hot chocolate or flavored coffee?
Hot chocolate.
why are you're gonna make like a section in the house like that?
Of course I am. I'm gonna do the coffee station or the hot chocolate station. So which one will you guys choose?
I
Or
think-
do you
I
want
think-
both?
Both.
No, out of to be more convenient, the more out of the whole year you drink coffee compared to hot chocolate, you only really drink like one time of the year. So I say coffee.
So you want to stick to the
No.
coffee? The coffee with different flavors. We're gonna do like a pumpkin spice,
Yeah, that'd be fun.
maybe like a cinnamon or French vanilla or
Yeah, too. That because I was never into coffee before. Now I'm into coffee, right?
So that's it for this Q&A, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm bringing you guys a little piece of my family. This is my life. I'm missing one of my daughters. She's in California. Some of you may know that, you know, if you've been with me for a while. But I definitely miss her every single day, you guys. But these are the ones that I have at home, and I'm still enjoying them. And we're just enjoying fall together. So till the next video,
Wait, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel at @NirvanaMay on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, and leave a comment down below telling me you came from my mom's channel. So
Y'all beautiful, stay beautiful and stay blessed forever, man. You heard me? Clean.
you're Nirvana. You are. Wait. You are Nirvana. Bye, guys.
what a way to promote your channel there. All right, you guys, I'll go ahead and link their YouTube channels below in case you're interested. And till the next video, bye.